these roads and up in the clouds.
Welcome back to Thoughtful Savvy Mom. My name is Gigi, and in today's video we are going to tackle our fridge, freezer included. So if you need some motivation to tackle your refrigerator and freezer, please continue watching because I am sure that you will get some good motivation after watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I post videos on motherhood and lifestyle, and they premiere on Mondays and Fridays at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We can also be friends on Instagram. My handle is @ThoughtfulSavvyMom. So let's get started and tackle this refrigerator. Today's video is a very special collaboration with Marcia. Her channel is Beautifully Capable. She is one of my besties here on YouTube. She is a wife and mom of 4 and a weekend nurse. So thank you for your service, especially during these difficult times. She posts videos on cleaning motivation, lifestyle, and self-growth. We both tackled her fridge during her spring cleaning. Please go check out her channel and let her know in the comments that I sent you. If you are here because Beautifully Capable sent you, please let me know in the comments. Welcome, love. If you enjoy what you are watching, I'd love for you to subscribe and join my community. One of the greatest things about doing my fridge during this time is that honestly my fridge did not have that much food in it. And I also have to say that because we did like a diet lifestyle change, we don't have a lot of extra sauces and things like that. We have welcomed a few back into our refrigerator, into our diet, but we're very limited. So I actually had less things to clean out. And we are due to go grocery shopping, so that is why my fridge looks so bare. I wanted to show you the before. I was so fortunate to be able to tackle this during my daughter's nap time, and I wanted to take everything out, and I accomplished my goal. I used a multi-purpose cleaner. The baking soda I actually didn't use, some microfiber rags, and a toothbrush.
You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the...
Out of all the refrigerators that I've ever cleaned, this one has been one of the easiest ones to really clean out thoroughly. Everything came out. I can't believe I was working with just the shell of a refrigerator. It was so nice.
I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.
So how are you doing? I hope that you are hanging in. and just staying mentally strong, getting through these times and staying busy. I hope that through my videos I motivate you to stay busy. When we are able to stay busy and get our minds on projects or ideas and just get to do things and feel accomplished, it makes us feel so much better. And not to overwhelm ourselves with different things to do, but just setting your mind to tackle something and getting it done is just such an amazing feeling. And I truly hope that that is what I am able to offer you when I share my videos with you, to inspire you to tackle those daunting tasks that are in our home.
There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
These inserts were such a lifesaver. The cleaning was so limited because of that. I was able to remove them, just wipe these down with the multi-cleaner and just give those a nice scrubbing and let them dry, and it was just so nice. And I just want to share, I have not been using store-bought cleaners for a long time. I've just been sticking with the vinegar and alcohol and water solution that I've made, but I have since started using these Methods cleaners, and I have really taken a liking to them. They work really well. And I also have the Mrs. Meyer's that you see there in the picture. So I'm really liking them. How about you? What do you like to use to clean around your house? So I recently got this brush, and one day I just came up with the idea of, rather than adding the soap, add the water. So I'm able to, you know, kind of wet it again, like if I'm cleaning the sink or like cleaning here, I don't need to get more water. I could just squeeze it and get more water because I already has good enough of dish soap. So that is just a little hack that I came up with on these little special brushes. Add water, not detergent or soap. If you are like me, I love the dollar store, the Dollar Tree in particular. And I bought these containers in the Dollar Tree, and I just love to add them to the refrigerator to help me sort and organize things inside. I actually want to go back and find some more to continue with organizing and setting everything up nicely. Just as a reminder, just wanted to let you know that I'm here for you. If you are in need of a prayer, please let me know in the comments. I know that I have a growing community and we are just getting to know each other, but please know that you can count on me to have positive thoughts for you. And if you need anything, please let me know in the comments. And if you just want to say hello, please do. I'd love to chat with you.
Before you, I just felt nothing. I didn't dare to take risks. Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love, yeah. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout out the
I knew that I should. It made me lonely and bitter, but that was all before you. Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby.
Now, I've always tried this with other refrigerators. I really wanted to change the layout of the refrigerator, so I played around with it, but we do have big water containers, and I had to, you know, make sure those would fit, and that's what I worked around to make it work in our refrigerator. So a little bit about my family. I love this huge Brita filter for the water, but my husband likes the pitcher because he feels like it's easier, colder water and whatnot, because it doesn't have so much, so it doesn't take as long to cool. So we have two water filters or two water receptacles. And we just love to drink water, so it just fits our family really well, but we do have to make room for it in our refrigerator, and the pitcher really made it hard for me, but I managed to fit it in the best way.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down.
As you can see, I also tackled the freezer. My freezer is empty. We do have a deep freezer in the basement, and so all of our meat is down there, and I definitely need to go down there and refill my freezer. But since we were cleaning, it was just better for me to keep everything downstairs. I didn't want anything to defrost and something bad to happen. So we do have a deep freezer, but the freezer was so easy to clean. I tried to get as best as I could. I couldn't get all the way in to the back, but I did clean any surface that I had easy access to. Alright, loves, for those of you who are still hanging in there for the finale, the refrigerator is officially cleaned. Alright, it wasn't as bad as I thought. I was a little hesitant on the way that the layout was going to work. Some things I had to change up a little bit. Now, I will tell you, I used to have my daughter's snacks down here, but I have since wanted to change that. That way my 2-year-old doesn't come in here and grab a snack, because she is able to open the refrigerator. So I put her snacks all the way up here, the yogurts and the cheeses, and hopefully that will work for us. I did have to put the water here. We normally don't put it there, but hopefully that's not staying. Hopefully my husband is happy with that. Maybe because of the paper. That's why. Okay. Okay. So we're going to try it out. I like the drawers like that. So let's see how that works out for us. Really, it was actually pretty easy to clean. This is the first time that I deep cleaned the refrigerator. We've been here for 6 months now, and I cleaned it before we moved in, but it wasn't clean like I just did. And the freezer was rather easy and quick. I was not able to clean back there. Thought of maybe bringing my vacuum cleaner, but you know what, for the most part, the freezer looks good. Everything that I could have wiped down, it wiped down. I'd like to get some more little baskets in here for organization. And I also brought this one out for like chopped up, you know, vegetables that have already been cut. And so, yeah, I'm happy with it. Happy with it. Let's see how the family takes to it. And that's it. Now this meal is a staple in our home. It's our spaghetti meat sauce, and I will link the recipe below. Very easy, really simple, and extremely delicious. And as a mom of 3, I definitely need easy meals. Now, as I told you earlier in the video, we did do a diet lifestyle change. So rather than having noodles, we have zucchini. But I found this really cool tool at Walmart, and I'm sure you can find it in many other retail stores. But it helps you cut your vegetables like noodles. And it has a wide cut, and it also has a thin cut. So I am just going to slice this up and get it ready to saute. Now I usually leave the skin on, but this time, because we had the zucchini for a little bit of a time, the skin didn't look too good, so I wanted to clean it out and just use it like this.
We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make
another one of our favorites. We go crazy for avocados. So I am cutting up some avocados, and let me just share with you that that night my daughter just ate up most of the avocados because I cut them up nicely and set them on our dining table with olives, and she got to them and ate about 3/4 of the avocado. Needless to say, she ate very little of her dinner. I am a mom of 3 and I have 2 great eaters, but I do have a picky eater. So we made her a hamburger prior to that. So I wanted to saute the zucchini in the juices of the hamburger for flavoring.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone.
Well, loves, that is a wrap. My refrigerator has been spring cleaned. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, getting those notifications. I post my videos on Mondays and Fridays at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye! See you later, alligator. Can you say bye?
Bye.
You want to see?
Bye.
See you later.